Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. This is Mike and today I am going to share my personal interpretation and perception about Bhagavad Gita and first slok of Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita was that particular book which I read, not read, rather studied last month, which totally amazed my mind. And let's start understanding it from the uh, ground level, not even ground level, from underground level. Bhagavad Gita mainly has four characters. First is Lord Shri Krishna, which is the supreme teacher and the Almighty God, and then there is Arjuna, which is the depressed soul and indecisive one, which means he was not able to decide whether he has to fight the war or not. And the third was Sanjay. Let's first talk about Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra was that particular character in Bhagavad Gita which represent the common man in Kali Yuga. Like like the common man in Kali Yuga, he has same bad habits. We all have attachment to our status, to our position, to our power, to our belongings, and to our family members. And also we have our very big ego. And Dhritarashtra was also having these qualities, and moreover he wants to be the controller of the kingdom, and he wants to be the proprietor forever. He don't want to lose the kingdom, and we all are like that. We are so much attached to our belonging and the comfort we all are in. We don't want to lose that. Dhritarashtra represents ourselves in Bhagavad Gita for the first chapter of Bhagavad Gita, according to me. Then there is Sanjay. Now Sanjay is the one who got Divya Drishti from Vedvyas as a blessing to narrate all the story to Dhritarashtra. Now Divya Drishti, which means Divya means divine, and Drishti means perception. So Divya Drishti means divine perception. Sanjay narrated all these in all the Bhagavad Gita to Dhritarashtra with the help of Divya Drishti. So the now let us come to first slok of Bhagavad Gita. That before coming to first slok, let us understand that why Dhritarashtra is saying first slok of Bhagavad Gita. Why not? You can say Krishna have to say the first slok, or Arjun should say the first slok. But why Dhritarashtra is saying first slok of Bhagavad Gita? For knowing this answer of this question, we have to revise the first slok. So first slok of Bhagavad Gita goes like धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे सामवेता युयुत्सुवा मामका पांडवाश्चैव किम कुर्वत संजय, which means the last line is important for us. So last line means Mamaka, which means mere, and Pandavascheva, which means Panduke. So meaning of this is what are my sons and Pandu's sons doing at the war field? Tell me, Sanjay, I want to listen it. I am curious. So this sentence is dedicated to the one who starts reading Bhagavad Gita, or the one who is listening to this video. So you are listening to this video just because you are curious to about hear what did Krishna said to Arjuna, or what did happen in Bhagavad Gita. Whether although you have very much bad habits in yourself, then also you have to hear. So the first slok is dedicated to you, about the curiosity and inquisitiveness of ourselves in of a common man to know about Bhagavad Gita. So this was all my perception about interpretation about first slok of Bhagavad Gita. I hope you gained some knowledge and find this video valuable. This video is highly influenced by HG Amog Leela Prabhu from Ixon, and I would like to thank them for telling me all this. And I would also like to thank Almighty God for making this happen. Thank you for watching this video.